Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can connect wireless Android Auto on your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So in order to be able to do that, the first thing that you need to do is go on the right of your steering wheel. Here you're going to find your little screen. So I'm going to give you guys a closer look on the screen like this. And what you need to do guys right now is go to settings, and then once you're here in the settings, you're going to find all of these options: personal infos, Bluetooth and devices. Go ahead and select this second option, and then here you're going to find all of the Bluetooth devices that were already connected. And if you want to add another device, click on add other device, and then it's going to be discoverable. All you need to do guys is turn on Bluetooth on your Android device, and then select Toyota Corolla on the Bluetooth settings. There's also another way. You can just go here to music menu and then click on Bluetooth settings, and then choose connect if you find your device right here. So this was it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.